Okay, so here I've got an older style 9x12 box, and I'm getting ready to install a small pallet extension. You described to me that you don't have any holes, and even if you did, they would be placed like this. And we want some holes here and here. And so what I've done is I've created a support so that the pallet extension is level here, more or less. I don't want it much lower or it won't be right. So anyway, I've got it set up where I want it with some books and a few other things. And this, you want to make sure that you've got these rivets facing up and the brush holes are to the back. If it's wrong, you don't want to install it like that with the brush holes up front. So brush holes at the back. It's centered kind of where I want it to be. I'm going to use one hand to hold this steady here, and at the same time I'm going to come in with my awl and apply pressure kind of in the center of where those holes for the screws are. And once I've done that, then I'm going to have small holes that aren't, they don't need to be very big. They just need to be enough for the screws to be able to get a bite into the wood. One of the things that I've done here, I got my holes set, I've started the screws, but please notice that I have started one, but I haven't put it all the way in. I started the other. I'm going to slowly go back and forth between these, tighten this a little, tighten that a little, tighten that a little, and that just kind of helps keep it where it needs to be. And now I've tightened down the screws entirely. I'm going to remove my stack of books, and that's about right where I want it to be. So it's probably just right for nothing too heavy. If we were to put something heavy on it, see how it's going to want to angle down like so. But if you're using light things, this is just about right. Ta-da!